Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have for sale this absolutely gorgeous Ninja 1000 SX. This one is the Performance Tourer, so it comes with the slightly smoked screen, the Acro exhausts, the crash protection, heated grips, power socket, luggage and a cowl, and I think that's everything. I don't think I've missed out there, but really well spec'd up bike. This one's got these lovely comfort seats. We do have the back seat for it as well, and that is also wrapped just like this front one, and we've got all the inner bags for the boxes as well. It's a 2020, it's done 1,236 miles from new, but really well spec'd bike. You get LED headlights on these. This one's got the camera system fitted to it as well. You've got the protection on the bottom of the fork legs. You get cruise control, quickshifter, auto blipper, full colour TFT display, riding modes, traction, so spec wise on these is unreal, and this particular one, obviously with all its extras, is probably one of the best ones out there. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.